Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell and make sure you click all to see all my future uploads. So you guys, we are going to be doing a date night inspired look for Valentine's or just for any date night. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Alright, so we are starting out on a fresh face. I'm priming my skin using the e.l.f. Putty primer. I wanted to go and do something a little bit more wearable, something that I would personally wear, something that would get me out the door fast because I am the late friend and partner of many relationships, and yeah, I need something quick to get me out the door. So you guys, I'm just going to be doing my foundation routine. I kind of just switch it up a little bit. I'm just adding my Fit Me powder, and we are going to be setting that primer with this powder, and we're going to be using a powder puff. So yeah. Once the powder is on the face, you guys, I'm going to be going in with my color correction routine, and then I'm going to be applying my foundation, and I'm going to be using a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation, and this is in the shade Mocha. So next I'm going to be doing my brows. Y'all, I'm keeping it very simple. Again, this is a little bit more realistic for me. Again, we are on a time crunch since I'm always late. Just doing my brows, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer to clean up my brows as well as highlight my face, and this is in the shade Toffee. Once that is done, I'm going to be going back into that concealer palette, and we're going to be using those darker brown shades just to bring back color to the face. So next we're going to be going into eyeshadow, you guys. I'm going to be using my Jackie Aina's palette, and I'm using the shade Ginger in my transition crease area just to warm that up. And then I'm going in my Morphe 35R palette, and I'm using like this chocolate brown shade to deepen the crease area. And once that is done, I'm just taking like a neutral skin tone shade and I'm applying that to my lids, and that's literally going to be it. I'm also going into like that beige color in the 35R palette, and I'm going to be highlighting the highest points of my face with that shadow. Y'all, my people's so freaking loud. I'm going to be highlighting the highest points of my face. I did not want like a shimmer glitter highlight. I wanted something that looked like skin and a natural glow, so we went for something a little bit more matte for this look. I'm also going in with a dark brown eyeliner pencil, you guys, just to kind of smoke the eyes. I didn't want to do black. I didn't want anything harsh. Again, I wanted to keep this super natural and easy. So I did that. And then I'm just going to be adding some lashes off camera and some mascara. And literally, that is the eye look. Like, this is so simple. It's a time crunch makeup look. And you know, it's me. It literally looks like me. So alright, so I'm going in with my Nicka K Brown lip liner pencil, and we're going to be doing like a nude skin tone lip look. All I did was apply that liner, and then I'm going to be going in with the NYX gloss. I can't remember the name of the gloss, but it will be down below. I'm going to be using that gloss, and then we are going to move on into hair. Kind of want to give you guys a little hair action since I haven't done it in a while, so yeah, stay tuned. For this hair look, I wanted to keep it, again, simple, and this is so me. Y'all know I'm a middle part girl. So all I'm going to be doing is just adding some curls on each side of my head. I did one side off cam, but I'm showing you guys how I achieve the curls using a flat iron. And yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the video. I also before I even forget, I gave you a second lip option just because it was Valentine. You know, you could spruce it up a little bit with a red lip. So this is going to be the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.